Okay, so I wanted to make a video of what we came up with as far as like home, or making our truck into a little home. So on the road while we're snacking, we try to eat healthy, and jerky is one of those main things that we snack on, so we decided that we would make our own jerky. So we have jerky in the dehydrator right there, and it's almost done. So that can be quite messy. While I was sleeping this morning, Shannon put that together, and then so I told him I would do the dishes, and this is what we have for our dishwashing system. I've almost got it all done, but here's the end. So here I've got my wash tub. I just used a tub that we had stored stuff in, so I'm just using that. Got my soap and water there, and then here I have, we just picked this up. It's a collapsible dishwasher drain, or dish drain. And then we picked up an oil drain just at Walmart. So it seals, and you can drain the water right into there. And then when you stop, then you can dump it out. Can you see all that? So it's just a regular oil pan, but it's contained. So all the, you know, water, whatever would be contained. Well, in this case, it's not oil, it's the water. But there's the drain plug, and then it seals up with this. So while you're on the road and you need to do up some dishes or even wash your face or whatnot, you have somewhere where you can pour the water into, and then when you stop, you can dump it out. So we got that. Again, that's the drain. You can see it. And then we found this at Walmart, and it's actually pretty cool. It fits perfectly, and I don't know if we could do that again if we tried. But and then it's collapsible, so it stores really easy. And then I just wash the dishes in the tub here, transfer them over here, and then I'm just going to use this little water drinking thing to rinse them all off. And it'll just drain right into the oil pan. And voila, it's all done. So there's our little tiny home living in our truck. Just one segment that we're trying to make life better on the road. Oh, crap.